My name is Jim Cupples, and I'm honored to be part of 2019's Hack for a Cause. The project that I'll be working on is called the Oregon Campaign Trail. And this project really stems back for years for me personally. Years ago, I co-founded a database called runforoffice.org that allows people to enter their address and see what they can run for. That was a really fun project to work on, and it helped people on the informational side of what they needed to know. But there's a whole other level of experiences that people go through when being a candidate, and I think first-time candidates and others would be interested in finding out. The game is, of course, inspired by its namesake, the Oregon Trail, which I grew up with. That's a classic game, and continuing that tradition, that was actually an open source game, so I was really excited to see Hack for a Cause using the MIT open source license. The object of this is to be a text-based strategy game that allows people to go through a decision process, and according to how you end up with your poll numbers is according to your success for the game. Your objective is to hire staff, recruit volunteers, create alliances, and then play through approximately 12 weeks of decision making, each representing 2 weeks on the campaign trail. At the end of the 12 weeks, according to how that candidate has played, it's very similar to the Oregon Trail, the old school game, whereas either you die of dysentery, well, instead of that, you would have to either withdraw from the campaign or you make it to the election and either win or lose there. I'd like to see this game develop into a tool that's used in communities all over the country that wants to actually customize that data for where they are running for and thinking about campaigning. So we're going to be using data that's close to Eugene and Springfield and our demographics here. But that information is preloaded. And so there's the ability to run these games that are similar to people's communities and give them the best understanding of how to run an effective campaign. My name is Jim Cupples. I'm working on the Oregon Campaign Trail project. I'm a web developer from Springfield, and I'm hoping that you'll join me on building a fun and easy to use game that also helps people understand what it's really like to go through a campaign for local office.